You can access all my trades by searching Binance Copy Trade. Simply type Cryptarium in the search bar. If you don't want to copy my trades, please split your short and long balances equally before copying. I hedge my trades in case of adverse situations, because I don't use stop-loss orders. Please do not copy my trades without reviewing them first. I provide daily trade analysis and general market analysis on this channel. General market outlook. The cryptocurrency market experienced a correction following the hotter than expected U.S. inflation data released last week. While Bitcoin is leading the pullback, the market is bracing for a highly volatile week, driven by ETHDenver and the upcoming FOMC minutes. With U.S. markets closed on Monday for a public holiday, expect lower liquidity and potential fake-out moves in the early sessions. Bitcoin, BTC, price, $69,390. Technical analysis. BTC is currently consolidating just below the psychological $70,000 threshold. On the weekly time frame, a head and shoulders pattern is being monitored. A sustained close below $69,500 could trigger a slide toward the $65,000 primary support. Conversely, a high-volume break above $72,500 is needed to regain bullish momentum. Fundamental expectation. Wednesday's FOMC minutes will be the main driver. Any hawkish tone regarding interest rates could delay the next leg of the bull run. Ethereum, ETH, price, $2,085. Technical analysis. A symmetrical triangle is forming on the daily chart. Support is holding firm at $2,000, while the RSI sits at a neutral 49, indicating a breakout is imminent. Fundamental expectation. ETHDenver 2026, February the 17th to the 21st, is the centerpiece of the week. This massive developer gathering typically generates significant news flow regarding Layer 2, scaling and ecosystem upgrades, which may allow ETH to outperform BTC in the short term. Ripple, XRP, price, $1.52. Technical analysis. XRP has shown relative strength by decoupling from the broader market dip. It is currently maintaining an ascending triangle formation. As long as it holds above $1.50, the path to $1.65 remains open. Fundamental expectation. Speculative interest remains high. Institutional adoption news or updates regarding Ripple's global payment rails are the primary catalysts to watch. Solana, SOL, price, $87.59. Technical analysis. After failing to hold the $100 level, SOL has dipped into a local oversold zone. Support is being tested at $85. A relief rally toward $95 is possible if Bitcoin stabilizes. Fundamental expectation. While network activity remains high, the current, Ethereum-centric, week might temporarily shift capital away from SOL. Binance Coin, BNB, price, $619. Technical analysis. BNB is trading defensively after losing its $650 support. It is currently finding bids around the $615–620 range. Fundamental expectation. BNB price action is heavily tied to Binance launch pool announcements and regulatory sentiment. Expect sideways movement unless a new ecosystem project is unveiled. Chainlink, Link. Reason: Link consistently ranks at the top for developer activity. With the narrative shifting back to infrastructure and oracles during ETHDenver, Link is positioned for a momentum play. Target: a retest of recent local highs, if the $18.50 resistance is cleared. HBAR. Reason: HBAR has seen a surge in developer metrics this month. Recent integrations, such as the MUZ stablecoin via MetaMask, provide a strong fundamental catalyst for a relief bounce. Target: technical recovery toward the 12 cents level. Internet Computer, ICP. Reason: as investors look for undervalued infrastructure plays, ICP has been gaining traction in social sentiment and whale accumulation zones. Target: short-term upside of 8–12% if market sentiment turns neutral positive. Monday, February the 16th, U.S. holiday, President's Day, markets closed. Expect thin liquidity and crab price action. Tuesday, February the 17th, event, ETHDenver 2026, officially begins. Watch for Ethereum-based project announcements. Wednesday, February the 18th, Fed, FOMC meeting minutes, 22 o'clock TRT. High volatility expected in all USD paired assets. Thursday, February the 19th, data, U.S. initial jobless claims, indicator of labor market strength. Friday, February the 20th, data, U.S. preliminary GDP data. Summary strategy: exercise caution on Monday due to the U.S. holiday. From Tuesday onwards, focus on the Ethereum ecosystem for potential alpha as ETHDenver unfolds. Use Wednesday's FOMC minutes to gauge the mid-term direction of Bitcoin.